Before you throw parts at a misfire code, you need to understand how a misfire code is set. We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by AutoValue and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Before you start throwing problems at a misfire code, either random or for a single cylinder, you need to make sure you understand how a misfire code is actually set. A misfire code is actually set by the crankshaft position sensor, and on some engines, the camshaft position sensor. These detect changes in rotational speed of the crankshaft. The rotational speed of the crankshaft changes due to the combustion events happening inside the cylinders. If the ECM on the engine detects a change that either is expected or unexpected, this is when it starts to look at for the criteria for a misfire code. Misfire codes can occur for a couple different reasons. It could be the coil, the spark plug, the fuel injector, or potentially damage inside the cylinder to maybe even the piston rings or one of the valves. These need to be fully investigated before you start putting new parts on the vehicle to solve the misfire code. So fully diagnose the problem before you start installing parts. This way you're going to have an accurate diagnosis and the customer will not have to come back to have the problem solved again. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.